Hi you guys, it's Mimsy here. I'm going to show you how I took the white spots off of this table that I just bought on OfferUp. This is the second table that I've done this with, so I feel confident that it'll work for you too, because it worked on my last table and it has worked on a couple spots on this table already. So I'm going to bring you in close so you can see these white spots and show you how I do this. Okay, so here's the spots that I'm going to work on. Got this one here, which is pretty obvious. And then I've got a few over here, kind of a grouping of spots here. So they're kind of small spots, but grouping of them, so it's pretty apparent. I just finished doing a big one on the other side that was about the size of my hand or bigger. It was almost the size of the full iron and it completely disappeared. So let me set this up and show you how I'll get rid of these. Okay, so the only thing that you need for this project is a hot iron, no steam, dry hot iron, and then a towel. Okay, so this is a tea towel, or I forget the name of it, but I'll put a link in the description below. They sell them at Walmart and all different kinds of places. I think you can even get them at the grocery store. Anyway, I'll link to it down below. But I double this up so it's a little bit thicker and then lay it right on top of your spots. So I'm gonna start over here with these spots. And what I like to do is iron and then just lift and look and make sure and see. You'll be able to see the progress if you iron and then lift and look. And when you first get started on this, you're gonna bring up some moisture. I'm not exactly sure why that is or where that moisture is coming from, but you will see some moisture coming up, and that I have found is normal. That's happened every single time I've done this. So just keep your iron moving over the areas. You can kind of see it's already starting to disappear. And this takes a little while, so it takes probably 5 minutes or so before you start seeing it disappear. So just be patient and keep your iron moving.
Almost done.
See? No more spots. Now I'm gonna do that one. Now I'm gonna move over to this spot. See how it's wet? I don't know why that is. It's already disappearing. That one was quick. I don't know why. Wow. And then there's a little bit of haziness here. Let me go over that and see if I can get that to go away. There it goes. So that's how easy it is, and miraculous, really. I mean, it's amazing that it works so well, but it works. I got this table for $25 and got all the spots out. Now I'm just gonna oil it with some Old English wood oil, and it'll be good as new. Oh, if you watched the last video about the box pleated table skirt, that table skirt didn't make it to Thanksgiving. I did find this table. So I was able to get a 60-inch round table, this table, for $25. So I'll show you real quick. I'll back up and show you the whole table. So there she is. That's the table I got for $25. I had to drive about 45 minutes to the next town over to pick it up, but well worth it. It's in real nice shape, and it's 60 inches, so that's exactly what I wanted. See you next time.